Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB on Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves creating a new account and completing the necessary identity verification steps. Ensuring your account is fully verified allows for smoother transactions and higher trading limits. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for robust security, protecting your assets from unauthorized access. This initial setup is crucial for a safe trading experience. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You have a few options here. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly into your Binance wallet using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Another way is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet. Always check for any minimum deposit requirements and be aware of potential transaction fees before proceeding. Now for the exciting part, buying BNB. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll select BNB as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's fiat currency you've deposited or another crypto. Enter the specific amount of BNB you want to acquire, review the details, and then confirm your order to complete the transaction. After your purchase, your BNB will be securely stored in your Binance Spot wallet. For enhanced security, especially for larger amounts or long-term holding, consider transferring your BNB to a hardware wallet. BNB offers several benefits, including reduced trading fees on Binance and participation in exclusive Binance Launchpad projects. It's a versatile asset within the Binance ecosystem, offering various utilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.